Hi, today I'd like to show you how to blend watercolour pencils using the Promarker colourless blender from Winsor & Newton. I've masked off an area of watercolour paper and I'm laying down an area of colour. This is red from the Studio collection of watercolour pencils made by Winsor & Newton. They're wax-based. Now, I'm carefully removing the masking tape. This is the Promarker colourless blender. It's twin-tipped and I'm going to show you how controlled and detailed your blending will be when working with these nibs. This is the Broad Nib, great for blending larger areas quickly or creating defined angles. Good practice is to clean the nib after use on Promarker paper like this. I'm switching to the Bullet Nib. This is for fine detail, as you can see here. Okay, I want to show you a side-by-side comparison between a brush and the colourless blender. As before, here's an area of pencil colour, lush green. Here I'm blending with a round Winsor & Newton Professional Watercolour brush number 6. And here I'm using the blender. As you can see, both tools are great for blending, but if you want fine detail, precise edges and the control of a flat finish, then the Promarker colourless blender is a great choice. Thanks for watching.